Welcome all back to the Power Plant Performance Awards. I would now share the screen. Yeah. So my screen is shared now and probably will start. The Power Plant Performance Awards 2020 has been conferred during the TPP Operation and Maintenance 2020 on the 31st of August today. These awards have been developed with a view to accord recognition to utilize based on their round of performance by integrating the operational parameters like peaking plant load factor, secondary oil consumption, auxiliary power consumption, station heat head, etc. The station heat would be considered for the evaluation of the award. Power Plant Performance Awards 2020 in its present form is intended to foster the competitive spirit among the various power plants so that to encourage them to improve performance in all spheres of their working. This award would also help in evolving the benchmark for various performance indices. Coming back to the glances of the PLAS event, PLAS winners, we have recognized organizations right from Balco, CES, SR, Lanco, Aditya Birla Group, GSCL, Dalmia, Bharat Cement, Sri Cement, Reliance, JK Lakshmi, Vedanta Group, and many others, including our own sponsor, WOMS, last year. The categories for 2020, which starts from with below 500 megawatt coal to lignite, CCGT, captive coal power plants, service providers, O&M providers, engineering design providers, and the lifetime awards. Coming to this year's Power Plant Performance Award 2020, the first category, which is for above 500 megawatt coal. This award goes to, the winner is NTPC Korba. Anybody from NTPC can raise their hand so that I can take them on the dais, please. Mr. Ansari.
Hello?
Yeah, can you hear us?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
So this is a performance for you for the Korba unit. How are you feeling today?
Sir, I am feeling very glad and thankful to Mission Energy that at least with the sincere effort of you people, we are doing well. And in the future, we will also do well, sir. And we will try to achieve all parameters up to the limit and minimize all losses, sir.
Thank you. We will dispatch the trophies of yours from here and should probably reach you in about 8-10 days from now. Can we have a round of applause for NTPC, please? This is virtual.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. The runner for the same category is Lanco and Para. Can we have somebody from Lanco, please? Rakesh Gupta ji.
Yes, thank you.
Mr. Gupta ji, I would like to request you to share your views on receiving this award this year.
Yes, I very much thankful to the Mission Energy and arrangements that they have made and the coordination and the difficulties they have faced for achieving this great event this year. And on behalf of Lanco, I thank you very much for this platform and exchange of views and knowing the technologies available for the betterment of the power sector. I would like to tell you one thing, that from our this past performance, consecutively we are improved since last 4 years, and we have cleared the PAD2 cycle and we have recognized and recommended for 60,000 plus energy saving certificates for these achievements in this performance improvement. So I thank you very much that this thing I have shared with you and all the participants. I thank you once again.
Thank you. I would like you to stay on the stage while we complete the entire process award ceremony.
Okay, sir.
I would like NTPC also to raise their hand so that I can call them on the stage. I would see all the winners together on the screen. NTPC, please raise your hand. Let me go to the next slide, which takes me to the next category, I believe, because the slides I just received few minutes back. This talks about the Power Plant Performer 2020 below 500 megawatt for lignite. And winner is JSW Energy Barmer. Yeah, we have Mr. Venkatrama ready, whom I have provided the mic. But probably we see the connectivity issue at the location. Let me continue to the next slide. The Power Plant Performance Award for the category 500 megawatt CCGT. And the winner is ONGC Tirupura. Is somebody present from ONGC Tirupura?
Yeah, I am Prabhat Chandra. I am from OTPC.
Yes, sir.
Thanks for this award.
You would like to share something? Can we have round of applause for Mr. Chandra, please? And the whole OTPC.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah, it is a very good platform wherein I participated and in fact discussed and come to know many more new area of improvement in the plant. I hope such type of seminar and conferences will be always useful for the operation maintenance persons to get the best practices from other industries and share their own best practices. So I am really delighted to participate in this conference. Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for being with us and enjoy yourself. Okay, I go to the next category, which is Power Plant Performance of the Year, Coal CCP below 500 megawatt. And the winner is Hindustan Zinc Zawar and Hindustan Zinc Chanderia. This is a tie between the two plants. Request the HZL team to raise their hand. Is the team from Hindustan Zinc sitting in the down? Are they able to hear me? Okay, I move on my announcements because I don't see the team from Hindustan Zinc raising their hands. I have a runner-up for this category, which is again the same company, Hindustan Zinc. The location is Dariba. Is the participants from Dariba available or they have left? It was a day-long program, and I'm sure people would have got tired attending the whole day program, or maybe connectivity issue. I think I could see Rohitash there. Hindustan Zinc, Dariba, Chanderia, or Zawar. Okay, let me move on to the next slide because I do not hear from them. The next slide goes to the Power Plant Performer of the Year above 500 megawatt. The winner is Vedanta Limited. Anybody from Vedanta Limited available? I think I have to proceed next. The runner-up for the same category goes to Nalco, National Aluminium Company Limited. Is somebody from Nalco there? Pranjal Raul. Nalco Angul. I think Nalco Angul has connected via a mobile phone, which is not compatible, and they are not able to come on the stage. They're supposed to connect via their desktops and laptops. Let me move to the next category. Lifetime of Achievement Award. And this is probably the last category and the last award for this today, probably this year. And the winner is Hindustan Zinc, Mr. Manas Tyagi, the head of power business. Mr. Manas Tyagi, are you there? I think the Hindustan Zinc team is all connected through their mobile phones, and we are not able to come on this interactive mode. I could see Rohitaksh Sharma here. Let me try inviting him on the stage. Rohitaksh?
Yes, good evening, everyone. And today I was raising hand. I think the
probably
request
your
was not
entire
accepted.
team is
So,
using a mobile phone to watch the entire program, but that is not rightly recommended.
yes,
Through the mobile phone.
yes, I think there. No, I was connected through my laptop also, but I think there was some network issue in between. So,
Yes.
anyhow, the whole session was it was a great experience and very new to all of us, I think, and
We're losing the connectivity and we have lost you. I'm sorry, team. Probably I lost the connectivity in between. Mr. Reddy?
Yes, sir. Hello.
Yes, Mr. Reddy. In between, I lost the connectivity from the day long. I had a stable internet connection, but probably during the course of the day, I lost the connectivity.
Yeah, here it's raining heavily. Because of that, our internet connectivity is getting poorer.
It's raining here also.
Okay. So we are at a remote place in Rajasthan, very close to border. So anyhow, I think thanks Mission Energy for allowing us to participate in this ceremony. And
it was my pleasure.
So it was great to receive that best power plant in O&M category for lignite based. As on today, we are generating 1080 megawatt, and we are the best, and we are comparing with many of our peers. And as on today, we are comparing most of the parameters. So we are at the top of the list. But we want to go ahead and compete with the international. So we are asking some consultants to get the benchmarking values for international for CFBC. We have for core technologies, but we want it for CFBC, especially with the lignite.
Okay.
Because lignite has a very peculiar characteristic. It has high moisture content and it has got low ash fusion temperature.
We are talking to your minister in Barmer to do a lignite gasification project there.
Yeah. So we have pitted mines. So lot of mining reserve is there, around 500 million ton reserve is there, lignite in the desert. So at present we are using almost 6 million ton per annum for our generation as of today, and we have a lot of reserves. So definitely we can, I think if we are able to come up with gold gasification with lignite, it's definitely added
technology is available. It is only the decision of your Honorable Minister, Mr. Meghwal, to take it forward. Yeah. So now we will move forward, and we will move to the networking launch. For a while, when the people would like to be in touch and stay with us, at the final, I will urge and request all the participants that install and sign up to the Mission Energy's mobile app to be connected in future. All your participation certificates will be provided on the app. The videos and the PPTs will be uploaded soon on the app. Once we are done with the uploading of PPTs and the participation certificates, we will close down the WhatsApp group which we have created for communication. From now, I wish everybody stay home, stay safe, and stay connected. Thank you. Good night.